I'm Dion with WTI, and let me tell you why I love this cat bed from Lazy Rabbit. This cat bed is a lovely coffee color. It has cute little cat ears, and it even has a cat tail, which is used to hang the bed after you wash it. This bed is super plushy, and it has a lovely circumference of squishiness so that your cat can get super cozy. There are nice grippers if you're going to put it on a hardwood floor. The cat bed comes with a blanket, which I like to put somewhere else in the house. I love this bed because it is nice and squishy, a beautiful size for my cat, and that's my point of view.